Of course, and who better to speak with than Master Trooper Mitchell Ridgway? Good afternoon. How are you, sir?
Good, Peyton. How are you?
I'm doing all right. You and I were just chatting. You tell me you're actually getting more of a call volume this weekend than you did last week. Is that right?
Yeah, I think just the way the storm was hyped last week and it rolled in on a Sunday, more people stayed home, didn't go out and drive. I think since it's a Saturday and it's just kind of snow and we kind of hyped it as just, nice snow, and it's not going to affect the roads just like they did last weekend. People have kind of out and about more. Call volume's not terrible, but it's a little higher than it was last weekend. Biggest thing is, we just want to encourage people, not to get too comfortable out there. The roads still can get very bad, especially in areas like, back roads, secondary roads, areas that DOT's not treating the roads. So, if you're out in the weather right now driving around, make sure you slow down. Number one, that's the biggest piece of advice I can give you. Don't brake too aggressively. Don't accelerate too aggressively. Kind of drive like we talked about before, with almost like a cup of water on the dash of your car, and you're trying not to spill that cup of water. And then just enjoy the weather with your family and friends. If you can, stay home. Enjoy the snow with your kids and your family, and let's just get out of this on the other side until the weather's finally over and we can enjoy some springtime here in the next couple months.
Groundhog Day is on the way, and I'm hoping for spring. It's probably going to be winter. Let me ask you some advice. Look, I'm from North Carolina, from the beach. I've lived down here in South Carolina, and most of the time I've been here, we haven't had snow. I don't know how to drive in the snow. I know there are probably some other people who don't know how to drive in the snow. What is your advice? We've talked about slow and steady. Any other advice when it comes to if you absolutely have to get out on the road?
Yeah, those three major things: slow and steady. If you just reduce your speed, that's going to keep you out of a lot of possible incidents. A lot of these collisions we're getting on the CAD right now are just where people are just not slowing down. They're getting too comfortable in the snow, in these conditions, and next thing you know, they're having to stop abruptly, and then they're starting to slide and run off the road. Those are the typical calls we get. But so like I said, slow down, number one. Like I just said previously, be easy on the throttle, be easy on the brakes. If you slam on the brakes in snow or ice, you're going to slide and you're going to lose control. And then, just drive with some sense. And another big thing that we like to talk about is, leave plenty of space between you and other vehicles. If you're doing everything right, but the vehicle in front of you is not, and they have to stop quickly, if you're going too fast or if you don't have enough following distance, you're not going to have enough time to stop, and you may strike them. So, leave plenty of space between you and other vehicles, and, make sure your vehicle's prepared. If you're in a front-wheel drive vehicle or just a two-wheel drive vehicle, you're not going to be as prepared as, say, a full drive or all-wheel drive vehicle. My patrol car is all-wheel drive, so it does pretty well in the snow and ice as long as I drive reasonably.
Okay.
Some other vehicles, especially like if, your tire tread's not in the best condition, that can make a big difference out here in conditions like this. So, if you're in a four-wheel drive vehicle or an all-wheel drive vehicle, you're going to do a little better in these conditions. But like I said, if you can stay home, and, we preach this all the time, please do. That's going to help us out a lot. I know people want to go out and, find the hills and go sledding and enjoy that. And I totally understand that. But, make sure you get to that destination by driving slowly and doing these things we're talking about.
100% agree. So today's more of a snow angel day, not more of a doing donuts kind of a day outside.
That's right. Take it low and slow.
Low and slow, low and slow. Well, you heard it here first, folks. Thank you so much for chatting with us, sir. We really appreciate it. You're not wearing gloves. Oh, my gosh. Okay, we're going to get him back in the car. We're going to send it back to you in the studio.